Hello my dear friends, we are exceptional. I think CSS is very interesting. In this lecture we will learn about selectors. Dear guys, if you are beginners, with the passage of time and practice you will understand these concepts. If you have any problem, please ask it in comments. Create a new HTML file and CSS file. You can also download this file. Link is given in the video description. First one is grouping selector. For example, look at here, heading 1 and heading 2, heading 3. If you want to apply same properties on multiple elements, no need to write duplicate code. Just remove it and comma h2 h3, the same result. This is our HTML page. Second one is descending selector. Remember this point, which is very important. Your browser reads the selectors from right to left. Suppose you want to apply style on a specific element when it lies inside specific element. So div paragraph tag and background D27300 and color is FFF. Look at this paragraph is not affected. Why? Because this paragraph is not inside the div element. Another example, copy UL inside UL list item. What does it mean? Read from right to left. Apply these properties on anchor tag, which is inside li inside ul and that ul also inside another ul. Okay. Third one is child selector. The child selector selects only the first children or immediate children of an element. Div paragraph background and save it. Look at this paragraph is not selected and also this paragraph is not selected. Why? This paragraph is not selected because it is not directly inside the div tag. These paragraphs are not selected because these paragraphs are not directly inside the div tag. Child sibling selector selects all the specific elements which are immediate the specified element. Select all heading 3 elements which are immediate div tag. Div plus h3 and copy it. Look at here, we are here for you is not selected. Why? Because it is not immediate div tag. General Sibling Selector selects all the elements that are sibling to specified element, the immediate condition is not applied here. Just copy and paste it here and change it with tilde sample. So here we are, here for you is also selected. And the last one is universal selector. Selects whole the browser's page and apply properties on all the elements. Static and then found family cursive padding margin auto and with 500 pixel list style none, save it, text line center. So look at this. This is very simple and very easy. We'll also discuss about padding, margin and text properties in our upcoming lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture.